Man, this phone is expensive. Now, if you're somebody that actually said that, then you definitely should check out what I got to say in this video. Let's go.
CSQUAD, yeah, we started something great. My goals on the horizon, I'm just cleaning off my plate. Listen up, we got tech so passionate, keeps the fire going higher. 100K still a goal, which I'm inspired. Hey, links for my peoples, they buying sequels. I'm just here to keep it peaceful, so comment after these bars. Share, like, subscribe, we moving closer to these stars. Another video is here, so sit back, it's up to par. Let's go.
Hey, what's up guys, CKid here, and the other day Samsung revealed and talked about their all new Galaxy Fold phone, and let's talk about who I personally think this phone is for. Now, first thing I thought was that it was a dope move that Samsung came out of the gate swinging with their Galaxy Fold phone being the very first thing that they began the event talking about. So to be honest with you guys, I actually liked how Samsung presented the phone with having like an influencer or a guy on the side of the stage pretty much just kind of showing off the features. It was something that was very different. You guys know I'm all about different on this channel. And shout out to that dude because he had to have some nerves of steel because all the eyes were on him to show off the new phone features and there was absolutely no hiccup. So shout out to you, dude. So a couple things that I actually liked about it. Now, when they were actually holding it, it didn't seem as if the phone was too thick when it was actually in its folded position, making it seem like sliding it within your pockets wouldn't really be an issue or seem like bulky or anything like that. Now, the other thing that I like that they talked about was their interlocking hinge system. Now, this is going to be the system that's going to allow the phone to open and close. So the other company that had one over at CES this year, their hinge system was more like a rubberized like material that seemed really cheap, guys, and primarily the reason why it had a fold limit of like a couple thousand folds before you could start seeing, you know, performance issues and different things like that. But with the Galaxy Fold phone, their interlocking system, guys, will allow for hundreds and thousands of folds with no issues at all. And I like the fact that depending on whatever color option that you get, you can actually choose a specific hinge color between black, silver, green, and blue for more customization, which I personally thought was a dope, you know, a little addition to it. But being able to multitask on this device up to 3 apps running at the same time, I also thought was something that was impressive too, with, you know, the technology that have to go into building a device like this. But what I like the most that seemed like it would be a seamless experience is something that they're calling app continuity, which basically is when, let's say that you're on YouTube or Twitter or Instagram app or whatever, and you have that, you know, open when the phone is actually folded up, but you decide that, oh, I want to go ahead and open up the phone and view it that way. So when you guys actually unfold it, the app will seamlessly format to that larger format of the screen when you unfold the device. And according to the looks of it, when they presented it on stage, it seemed like it worked actually pretty good. So who is this phone actually for? Now, I don't personally think that this phone would be for the average everyday consumer, especially with that high price tag starting at around upwards to $2,000. Now, this phone to me is strictly for those people that just have to have the latest and the greatest and the most innovative things so they can brag to their friends about having it, which for those people, you know, if that's what they want to do, then I think this phone is an easy sell to them. What I like most about it is the fact that this is the first gen of something great that more companies and even Samsung will probably continue to innovate and make better until we have a model that would be more cost efficient on our wallets and even better features than the first gen that they introduced and talked about the other day. Now, it no doubt starts the conversation, and I have to say, from the foldable phones that I've had the pleasure of seeing in person and up close, Samsung by far has the best looking one and definitely had the best presentation of it so far. Now, I know what you guys are out there thinking, well, Devin, what about the things that you didn't like about it? Well, that video is dropping later today on the channel, so definitely keep it locked right here. Hit that subscribe button right now, as I has tons of video coverage coming on what was revealed from the Unpacked event about the Galaxy Fold as well as the S10 model. So keep it locked right here as videos will be dropping on the channel rapid fire. Well, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel to stay up to date on everything on the channel, as well as hit that notification bell right next to it. So that way you guys will be notified when the next video is dropping. Now, if you guys have any questions about this phone, go ahead and feel free to drop me a comment down below in the comment section. Thanks again for watching, guys. Be different, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.